Hello, this is your AI assistant from Funnel.ai. Today, I'll demonstrate how I can act as a customized voice AI agent for your business. First, I'll ask a few questions to understand your business, and then I'll role play as your AI assistant to show how I'd interact with your customers. To get started. What's the name of your business?
Um, Jeff's MMA gym.
Great, Jeff's MMA Gym. What customer interactions do you handle most often? Are you booking classes, answering inquiries about memberships, or maybe handling support issues?
It's really customer support, booking appointments with our personal trainers for their one-on-one, information about our classes for adults and children, as well as just overall FAQ questions about mixed martial arts itself, really.
So, you're dealing with customer support, booking personal training sessions, and answering FAQs about your classes. What kind of tone would you like me to use when interacting with your customers? Friendly, formal, or casual?
I want it to be, professional but casual and fun and informative. I want you to be like a guide on their journey when they're engaging with my brand, but always professional. Does that make sense?
Absolutely. A professional yet casual and fun guide. I'll keep it informative and engaging. Ready to see how I'd interact with your customers?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Awesome. Let's dive in. Hello, and thank you for calling Jeff's MMA Gym. This is your voice AI assistant. How can I help you on your martial arts journey today?
Oh, I'm really trying to figure out if I should do like Muay Thai or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Both are fantastic choices. Muay Thai is great for striking and stand-up techniques, while Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu focuses on ground fighting and submissions. Do you have any specific goals or preferences that might help us narrow it down?
Yeah, I want to get in shape. I need to lose about 20 pounds, but I think I'd like to go towards BJJ because I think most fights wind up on the ground anyway.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is perfect for that. It's a full-body workout and great for self-defense. Plus, it's super engaging. Would you like to book a trial class to get started?
How much does that cost?
The first trial class is on the house, so it's free. It's a great way to see if BJJ is the right fit for you. Would you like me to book that for you?
Yeah, I'd love that.
Fantastic. Could you let me know your preferred date and time for the trial class?
Yeah, let's go for next Tuesday.
Great choice. What time works best for you on Tuesday?
What time zone are you in and what day is Tuesday, by the way?
We're in the Central European time zone, and next Tuesday is the 17th of December. What time would you like to come in?
Let's do it 2 p.m.
Perfect. I've got you down for a Brazilian Jiu Jitsu trial class on Tuesday, December 17th at 2 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, do I need to bring anything with me?
Just some comfortable workout clothes and a water bottle. We'll provide the rest. Anything else you're curious about?
No, I think that's awesome. I'm looking forward to the experience.
You're going to have a great time. If you have any questions before then, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your journey into Brazilian Jiu Jitsu.
That was super cool.
You need to I'm glad you enjoyed it. Now let's talk about how implementing a voice AI assistant like this can benefit Jeff's MMA gym. What stood out to you the most during our demonstration?
Your understanding of my gym and just your overall knowledge engagement, it worked really well. I couldn't imagine it being like it almost felt like a real person.
That's fantastic to hear. The goal is to make interactions as seamless and human-like as possible. Implementing this can save time, boost customer satisfaction, and keep your operations running smoothly. Do you have any questions or concerns about how this could work for your gym?
No, I think I'm ready to get started. This is amazing. Should I meet with someone or can I just get signed up right now?
I can help you get started right away. Let me take care of that for you.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Let's just go signed up now. How much does it cost to get started right now?
1 second, I will text you the payment link right now. Let me know when you get it. sent you a payment link to get started with Voice AI. Once you're set up, you'll be ready to enhance your gym's customer experience. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.
Wait, real quick question. How much was that? How much? Got so excited I forgot to ask you how much it even cost.
No worries. Cost details should be included in the payment link I sent you. You can review everything there before completing the sign up. If you have any questions about it, just let me know.